Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you a quick update involving a big problem that's affecting two of the most popular Honda vehicles, the Honda CRV and the Honda Accord. It's been an issue for some time, but it seems like they're moving forward with it. So it's affecting over 3 million Honda. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what I'm talking about. So if you remember a while back, the US government was investigating the problem with how the cars will automatically brake. Now, you know that's been a problem for some time where you'll be driving, all of a sudden the brakes will apply because it thinks it sees a car, it thinks you're close to an object, whatever it is. But it's been an issue that led to some accidents already. And what this has to do with is just this past Wednesday, they've upgraded a probe that was opened in February of 2022. So that means the braking system is still having the car brake by itself for whatever reason. There's some glitch in it. But by them upgrading it looks like that, it's one step closer to a recall. Direction that it will be a recall. And like I said, this affects over 3 million vehicles, the CRV and the Accord. So far, that's only two cars that they're saying the problem is. And here's the years that it says it affects. So it's the 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV and the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. So really popular vehicles that you see everywhere, especially the Honda Accord. The 10th gen is one of the most popular vehicles. So it's kind of concerning. And in documents, it shows that Honda is saying that customers had an inadequate understanding of how the system works and the limitations. So they're kind of putting it on people saying that they didn't understand that sometimes it's going to do that. So I can definitely see this turning into a recall since they're still moving forward with this over a year later. So I want to keep you guys in the loop because, like I said, the CRV and the Accord are some of the best selling vehicles, and there's a lot of them out there. So I'll keep you guys posted if this actually turns into a recall. We should find out probably within the year. I would assume by the end of this year, they'll either decide to drop this or they'll turn it into a full-on recall, which is, like I said, it's big because it affects so many vehicles. And they're vehicles that you see all the time on the road. So kind of concerning, especially since people have said that it'll just come to a complete stop when you're driving. There's nothing in front of you, nothing like that. So definitely something to pay attention to. Now it seems they both affect models through 2022. So that makes you think that 2023, they've switched systems or something. I don't know if Honda knew they had a problem. It's kind of weird that all of a sudden after 2022, none of those cars are included. So that's something to take notice of as well. So again, I just want to keep you guys informed. Let me know in the comment section if you had issues with your automatic braking system. If it almost caused an accident, hopefully it didn't cause an accident. But if you've had that, I've never experienced it on mine or my wife's car. So I'm not sure if it's just mainly the CRV and Accord. Because I could swear I've seen stories of other vehicles doing that in the Honda lineup. But again, I just wanted to let you guys know. Hope everyone's having a great day, staying safe. I appreciate you as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.